Today my topic is examination of forensic medical examination using DEMATEL method. The introduction: forensic medical examination play an important role in sexual assault investigation. It helps to identify injection, calculate biological evidence, and support criminal trials. The important is the victim's body often become the primary crime scenes. The background research: forensic medicines investigate medical scene with the commercial justified system. It support document, it injects, gather biological sample and support legal process. Objective: to evaluate factor after foreign medical examination to analyze the relationship among these factors using DEMATEL method. 5 criteria is using assessment of the victim, informed consistent medical and geological history, assess history, physical top to examinations. Next, the method DEMATEL method stand for decision making trial and evaluation laboratory. A multi-criteria decision making MCDM method used to analyze complex relationship between factors. This is for 6 main steps. Define criteria consist of direct relation matrix, normalized matrix, correlation, total relation matrix, compute RI and CI values, identify case and effect groups. This steps here structure counter systems. This is the direct relation matrix. 5 criteria using this table shows the direct influence between factors. For example, assessment of victim strongly influence medical history, assured history, interact with multiple factors. The sums value indicated to total influence strength. This is DEMATEL for normalization formula. Y is equal to x divided by sum, where x is direct relation matrix, y normalized direct relation matrix. The standard value normalized the matrix. Normalized matrix Y is oriented by dividing each element by the maximum row. Sum this ensure all values are within a compressible range. Please. Data. Y is equal to C1 divided 1 divided by 9 is equal to 0.11 values. All matrices are calculated. This now this matrix. This is total relation matrix. T is equal to y minus y into 1 minus I minus y square minus 1. T is here. T for total relation matrix, Y for normalized direct relation matrix, I identifying matrix. This formula captures both direct and indirect relationships. This is for this identifying matrix. One is diagonal matrix. 0, all members are 0. It helps computing the inversion matrix. This is I minus y matrix. This matrix is oriented by subtracting y from identifying matrix. It is represented the remaining influence after normalization. This is a key step before investigation. I minus y into 1 is the investigation matrix used in DEMATEL to capture indirect relationships among factors. It expanded direct influence into total effect, showing how each criterion affected other thought interrelated connections, helping compute the total relation matrix. This is total relation matrix. It shows overall influences to each factors, both direct and indirect relationships. This matrix is central to DEMATEL analysis. This RI and CI formula. RI is sum of row value of the total relation matrix. Ci sum of column values of total relation matrix. This RA equation and Ci equation, Tij values in total relation matrix. N is number of criteria. This values help identify important and relationships. This RA and Ci values from the table assessment of victim as highest RI and medical history as highest CA. This mean one is highest influence, other is highest different. This is CA values. Two important measuring RI plus CA importance, RI minus CA case of effect, positive case factor, negative effect factor. Assessment of victim is most important factors. Assessment of first rank and informed consistent for fifth rank. This is medical and genetic history effect factors and physical up to examination effect factors. Another three is case factors. This formula of post-word values, where Tij value of total relation matrix, n number of criteria in the studies 5 criteria using total elements 5 into 5 25. We calculate 1000 word value alpha, average of two T matrix values. Only value above alpha are considered significant relationships. T matrix value. T matrix highlighted strong relationships. Higher values indicate strong influence between factors. This is consistent cash flow diagrams. This is 1000 value there. The average of all T matrix values calculated to determine the 1000 values. Alpha is 1.41637803. If T value less than alpha, the relationship is considered significant. The values are usually leave the DEMATEL case and effect diagrams. Conclusion: the DEMATEL effectively analyzing relationship along foreign examination factors. It helps decision making, identify important criteria in foreign medical examinations. Thank you.